In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly manage everyday tasks and personal goals using Excel templates. Excel can be a powerful tool, whether you're planning meals, handling finances, or organizing household chores like keeping track of whose turn it is to wash the dishes. And the best part is that you don't have to start from scratch each time. Instead, you can save time and effort by using pre-designed templates. So, what exactly is an Excel template? Well, an Excel template is basically a ready-made spreadsheet that you can customize to fit your needs. It's a fantastic way to complete your work faster, while also benefiting from useful formatting and layout ideas that are already set up for you. Now, to access these handy templates, go ahead and open Excel. Once you're inside, navigate to File and then New. You'll find a wide range of templates available here. Many are free, but there are also premium templates that cater to more specific tasks. For instance, let's say you want to monitor your blood pressure. All you need to do is search for blood pressure tracker from the list of templates. Once you find it, click on it, and voila, it creates a worksheet tailored for entering your blood pressure and heart rate readings. This template is particularly useful because it includes a built-in chart that visually displays your progress. Plus, it highlights high readings in red, making it a breeze to prepare for your next doctor's appointment. Excel is not just for health tracking, it also offers templates for tracking weekly class attendance, managing household chores, and much more. This versatility means you can find a template for almost anything you need to organize and manage in your daily life. For Microsoft 365 subscribers, the benefits are even greater. You'll have access to premium templates like Money in Excel. This tool makes it incredibly easy to import, sync, and analyze your financial data, helping you keep a closer eye on your spending and saving habits. If you're hungry for even more options, you can continue browsing through additional templates by returning to File and then New or visiting templates.office.com. With Excel templates at your fingertips, you can dive right into organizing your tasks without the hassle of writing a single formula. It's efficient and helps you hit the ground running. Before we wrap up, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment if you found this tutorial helpful, and subscribe for more insightful Excel tips that will make your life a little easier. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.